couldn't really justify how you even thought could be right. 'Cause everything we cherished is gone. And in the end, can you tell me if it was worth a try, so I can decide? Leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. No, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. And try as hard as I might to flee the shadows of the night. It haunts me and it makes me feel blue. But how can I try to hide when every breath and every hour I still end up thinking of you? And in the end, everything we have makes it worth the fight. So I will hold on for as long as leaves will soon grow from the bareness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright inside. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive.
Hi Nay, happy birthday. More birthday comes to you. Ingat ka palagi and kumain ka sa tamang oras. Sana makabalik ka na dito sa Manila kasi miss ka na namin. I love you Nay. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Nay. Happy birthday. Sana lagi kang healthy and ingat ka palagi. And more birthdays to come. And advance happy Mother's Day na din. And sorry dahil hindi man ako marunong mag Ilongga. So, okay na yan. At least na great kita. Okay na yan. Bye, I love you so much. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Nay. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. I love you. Hi, Nay. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Sana bumalik ka na dito and mahal na mahal kita, Nay. Happy birthday. I love you.
Kanta. Happy birthday, Nanay Minggay. Kabi? Nanay Minggay. Oh. Sige na, Nanay Minggay. Hi. Hi, Nay Minggay. Kabi? Nanay Minggay. Kabi? Na happy birthday. Oh, cook mo. Damit? Na happy birthday, Nay. Nanay Minggay, happy birthday. Oh. Hatag ko sa imo. Sige na. Nga amping always. Kabi? Na amping pirmi. Kabi? Love you. Love you, Nanay Minggay. Kabi? Mabuka. Karon lang ay dali di anay ay. Hindi ti Jani. Sige na. I love you, Nanay Minggay. Kabi? I love you. Kabi? Nanay Minggay. Nanay Minggay. God bless. Nababay na. Babay na.
Bye-bye.
Kiss pa. Kindat pa. Ah. Kilay pa.
Hi Nay, happy birthday. Unta madamo pa nga uyab mag-abot sa imo. Ay. Mali ba? Birthday gali. Tagaan ka pa sang Ginoo. Madamo pa nga birthday. Kay mahimo pa kami sang apo mo nga lalaki. Kag tagaan ka sang Ginoo sang maayo nga panglawas. Sa liwat. Happy 70th birthday, Nanay. God bless sa imo.
Try as hard as I might to flee the shadows of
Hi, Nay. Happy 70th birthday. And happy Mother's Day. Ang tatagaan ka pa ni Lord sa madamo pagin yung birthday. Kag ngayong nga panglawas. God bless. I love you. I wish you once again happy birthday.
everything we have makes it worth the fight. So I will hold on for as long as leaves will soon grow from the bareness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. I never thought that I would see the day that I decide if I should leave or stay. But in the end, what makes it worth the fight is that no matter what happens, we try to make it right.
Bisan nun layo kami. I love you. Happy birthday. Mwah, mwah.